This is not a pitch to attend a free masterclass or webinar where you sit there for an hour hearing someone tell you what you need to do, but not how to do it or implement it unless you buy their course. Now, this is not an ad to get you to download a freebie so I can have your email and invite you to a webinar where I can sell your course. And this is not an ad directing you to fill out a survey, then asking for your email so I can see the results of said survey, then try to sell your course because I now have your email. These techniques are lame. Hey, I'm Carl, and I've been creating courses for the past 10 years, and I've even created the #1 course creation platform on the planet, Course Creative, where you can create, sell, and scale your course business. So if you're still watching this video and you're interested in being a course creator, your lesson 1 starts right now. Lesson 1, no one will buy your stuff until they know, like, or trust you, preferably all three. Since it's probably the first time you see me, I'm going to at least establish trust. You establish this trust by actually demonstrating what you know so others can learn, and then you do this for free before you try to sell them anything. I know it's a crazy concept. I actually show you what I know. So click the link below and 3 things will happen. 1, I will establish your mindset and debunk the myth that you need 1 million followers or be insta famous when it comes to selling courses and making money. 2, give you my #1 marketing principle that guides me on selling my courses. And 3, I will teach you how to create your course topic in 10 minutes. Click the link below to start the challenge. No first name or email is required.